Hey guys, Sherry Renee here from ifyougivegirlagrill.com, and today we have a sweet and spicy game day snack on the griddle. And since it's spicy, we're gonna see if my husband would like to come cook with us. Yeah. All right. Are you ready for me to boss you around to give you some jobs?
Do it.
Yeah, let's do it. And I have about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I diced into bite-sized pieces. So I'm going to season with kosher salt, pepper, and if you have like a sriracha or a buffalo seasoning, that works too. And then I'm going to have you chop up some hot cheese curls. That'll kind of add to the spiciness and bring a little crunch and texture.
Okay.
Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you can put these in a bag. Smash it in my hand.
We could have left them in the bag and smashing would have been better, but then we wouldn't have all this fun. All right, I'm going to season. So this is going to be the sweet and spicy sauce. We are starting with hot honey.
How much?
I don't know, we're just going to kind of eyeball it. I basically just looked in my fridge for any sweet or spicy sauce and I grabbed it. Buffalo sauce would be a good addition. And this is just like a spicy mayo. You can mix this while I mix this. Oh no, we did good.
Yeah?
High five.
High five.
Almost done. Do you want to get these pretzel buns and lay them cut side down on the oil just to kind of toast them a little bit? Got it. You want to bring that sauce over here and put about half of it on there?
You want to drizzle with the spoon?
You can drizzle it with the spoon. Oh, okay. Sometimes we over toast and that's fine. We're going to call it charred. All right, so this chicken is nice and caramelized. It is beautiful. We're going to assemble this sandwich together and try to get all this chicken on here. 2 more things we have to do. One is a little more sauce. The spicy cheese curls. Remember like when you were a kid and you would put like the potato chips on like your sandwich at the pool? I feel like this is like that. You're doing great.
Should have did it this way.
Oh, hey, live and learn.
Too much?
No. Oh,
That's good.
it looks really good. All right, so this looks absolutely amazing. What are we calling these? Honey sriracha chicken sliders?
Yeah. Spicy honey sriracha.
With a little crunch. We don't know what we're calling it. We're just calling it delicious. A delicious game day snack.
You can make on the grill.
That you can make on the griddle with your best friend. Cheers.
Yep.
The crunch makes it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So good.
Yep, you guys gotta make this.
Gotta try it.